Come test drive the 2017 XC90. The Volvo XC90 provides refined luxury with unrestricted pleasure on the side. Experience the Volvo XC90 from the inside out and see why you'll want to take everyone on tour. And is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.